Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting hardware and settings right. Do this first. Plug in your controller and headset, then enable low latency audio so inputs feel immediate. Once done, load a comfortable sensitivity profile or adjust to the 0. 5-1. 5 range, make small changes. Next, pick an easy track and set the tempo to a pace you can follow without strain. Make sure modifiers are off, because learning core timing matters far more than flashy effects at first. You now focus on the middle game, mastering rhythm and efficient technique. Start by isolating the main pattern and loop it for 30 to 60 seconds until the timing becomes automatic. Then, work on economy of motion. Smaller, deliberate movements preserve stamina and improve accuracy. Once you can play clean loops, introduce a single modifier and run a few recorded attempts so you can compare mistakes. If a transition feels shaky, slow the tempo and repeat the same segment until it clicks. You finish by consolidating and troubleshooting to complete the learning loop. Run full tracks at your target tempo and prioritize consistent completion rather than raw speed. This builds reliability. After each run, review recordings to identify repeating timing slips or poor hand positions, then practice those segments. If you experience latency, missed notes, or controller misreads, check drivers, cables, and input mapping. Sometimes remapping a single button fixes the problem instantly. Persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.